You need to stop hiding your best customer reviews. What if I told you the way most businesses show testimonials is actually boring potential buyers? But guess what? There's a simple fix that can turn those praises into your most powerful sales tools, instantly building massive trust. The big thing that we're tackling today is that your amazing customer feedback might be getting lost, or worse, ignored. I mean, think about it. You work hard for those great reviews, so let's make them work hard for you by showcasing them in a way that truly wows your visitors. So how are you currently showing your testimonials? Many businesses just sprinkle a few on a service page. Maybe you have a dedicated page, but it's often just a list of text. And I mean, that's okay, but it's not great. Getting video testimonials used to be a nightmare, right? You'd have to hire a crew, go to your client's office. It was expensive and took forever. You know this isn't ideal. You feel like your best customer praise isn't really grabbing their attention or convincing new people, and it's a common frustration. But here's the thing. Technology has changed the game. Now, asking for and getting video testimonials can be super simple, done right from your computer or a smartphone. This opens up a huge opportunity to make your customer proof far more engaging. The real key isn't just collecting more testimonials, but it's how you present them. Okay, so imagine a single, beautiful page on your website that gathers all of your best text and video testimonials in one place. It's called a wall of love. So think about it. Someone's interested in what you offer. Instead of just a few scattered quotes, they find this amazing page overflowing with happy customers. They can see real faces, hear real voices, and read genuine experiences all at once. This isn't just a page of reviews. It's a massive trust signal to your potential buyers. It shows that you're proud of your customer success and you have nothing to hide. It helps potential customers imagine themselves achieving those same great results. And you might be thinking, okay, that sounds great, but how do I actually build this? Well, I'm about to show you a really neat way. One fantastic tool that makes creating a wall of love super easy is called Testimonial.to. Here's how it typically works with a tool like this. First, there's the problem of getting the testimonials. Testimonial.to lets you send a simple link to your customers. They can then easily record a video or type out a text testimonial right from their computer or phone with no fancy equipment needed. You can also import testimonials that you already have from places like Google, Yelp, or social media. Now here's the magic. The best feature is how you can display these. They call it a wall of love. With a few clicks, you can create a page that beautifully showcases all those text and video testimonials together. It's dynamic, engaging, and visitors can easily browse through all the positive things that people are saying about you. And this directly tackles that problem of a static, boring testimonial page. This becomes a powerful resource for your business. Someone lands there, sees all this positive feedback, and their confidence in you just skyrockets. It's a game changer for building trust. Now, you don't have to use a specific service like Testimonial.to, but you can also just build a simple page like this. If you have a web developer, you can definitely ask them to help you create a similar wall of love page on your own website. I mean, we've built these for clients before and it can be super effective. But the thing is, whether you use a tool or go custom, is to make it visual appealing and easy for visitors to browse lots of different testimonials, especially the videos. And quick question, what's the number one thing that makes you trust a business online? I know reviews are definitely up there. And here's a crucial tip for you. Actively ask for reviews. Don't just wait for them. Make it a part of your process after a successful project or sale. The easier you make it, the more you're going to get. The concept of a wall of love is powerful, however you choose to build it. So my question for you today is, how are you showing off your customer love? If this sparks some ideas, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And please comment below telling me one thing that you're going to do differently with your testimonials after watching this. I'd love to hear it. If you'd like some help creating a wall of love or just learning how to get more reviews effectively, you can book a free, no obligation call with me. The link is in the description below. So remember, the way to stop boring your buyers and turn praise into a sales tool is to build that wall of love. It's about showcasing your wins in a way that builds undeniable trust. I mean, what if making this one change could significantly boost how many website visitors turn into actual customers?